Welcome to another insightful video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're diving into the dynamic world of manufacturing to demystify the concept of an engineering change request, or ECR. We'll dissect what an ECR is, where these requests come from, and what they should include. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how this crucial tool aids in problem solving and fostering continuous improvement within an organization. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of manufacturing and talk about something called an engineering change request, or ECR for short. So what exactly is an ECR in manufacturing? Well, it's essentially a suggestion that anyone within a company can submit either on paper or electronically to management. The goal is to solve a problem or make an improvement to a product. It's the first step in a multi-step process, designed to guide the actual project or activity to its completion. Now you might be wondering, where do these ECRs come from? Who initiates them? The beauty of ECRs is that they encourage conversation, thinking, and problem solving within an organization or industry. So these requests can come from a wide variety of sources. For instance, an ECR might be triggered by a customer complaint, a continuous improvement brainstorming session, or even an employee suggestion. Problems identified in the field, from non-conforming materials or as a result of process-related failure codes, can also kickstart an ECR process. Even regular audits or facility condition assessments conducted by a company can generate ECRs. Let's talk about what an ECR in manufacturing should include. Whether your organization uses a paper ECR or an electronic one, there are some key pieces of information that each ECR should contain. First and foremost, the ECR should clearly describe the problem and explain why a change is needed. Some other details that should be included are part descriptions, part identification codes, and the name and contact information of the person initiating the ECR. Also, the submission date, deadline date, and any resolution suggestions should be part of the ECR. If all this information is captured within a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, it can be accessed by all affected parties, tracked accurately, and executed more efficiently. So what happens after the ECR is initiated? Typically, the details of an ECR in manufacturing are reviewed by management, relevant employees, and key stakeholders. If it's deemed appropriate to pursue, an engineering change order or ECO or a manufacturing change order can result. This form will move the process to the next stage where action items, details, and instructions are laid out. Let's take the example of Cable Labs, a cable industry member association. They outline a multi-step ECR process. After electronic submission, key participants receive a web portal announcement. Then, members are encouraged to monitor and engage in the engineering change process. Finally, the ECR is incorporated into relevant processes. So there you have it. That's the lowdown on engineering change requests in manufacturing. It's a crucial tool for promoting problem solving and continuous improvement within an organization. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of manufacturing and engineering change requests. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what an ECR is, where these requests come from, and what they should include. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating.